Welcome to this video, where we will demonstrate how to properly apply the dressing for your catheter. Disinfect the surrounding area around the catheter exit site using an alcohol swab. Be sure to allow it to have an exposure time of 30 seconds before proceeding. Additionally, make sure that the skin surrounding the catheter is completely dry before applying the new dressing. Position the foam slit dressing with the slit side facing upwards, surrounding the catheter for proper placement. Roll the catheter like a snail and place it on top of the dressing. Then cover it with gauze pads. For a more effective application of the dressing, you may choose to remove your gloves and thoroughly disinfect your hands. Now take the self-adhesive film dressing and remove the center section of the unprinted film. Then remove the printed film in order to fully expose the adhesive side underneath. Position the dressing centrally over the gauze pads and press it against the surrounding skin. As the last step, remove the frame along with the two edge strips and gently smooth the film dressing from the center, moving outward. To empty the reservoir, you will need a clean cloth, scissors, the bright orange safety cap, and a plastic bag. You can reuse the original reservoir packaging. Place the reservoir on the floor. Open the clamp and lift the tube to allow the remaining liquid to fully drain out. Close the clamp again. Now cut the tube in between the white funnel adapter and the check valve. Turn the reservoir upside down above the toilet. You can speed up the emptying process by squeezing the reservoir. Then reattach the orange safety device. Place the reservoir along with the attached tube into the plastic bag and then dispose of it in accordance with your local waste disposal regulations. If any liquid spills during the process of emptying, wash your skin thoroughly with water and soap. Additionally, make sure to wipe down surfaces that came into contact with the spill. Please note that the reorder process can vary based on which country you are in. Therefore, please make sure to adhere to the specific guidelines applicable in your country. You can read these at any time on www.ewimed.com.